How to build a website with the help of AI. This video will demonstrate the use of ChatGPT and DALL-E in building out a custom online store. Firstly, head to ChatGPT for some inspiration. In the example of this video, we will be making an online store that sells custom, handmade plates. Head over to wix.com and select the option to create a new website. Ask ChatGPT for some artwork inspiration ideas for your site. Head over to DALL-E, link is in the description, and type in what you're looking for. After a few minutes of editing, which has been intentionally trimmed out, this is what I came up with as an example to show you how AI can help with web design inspiration and artwork. Thank you for watching and leave a comment for new video ideas.